Hi dear children, welcome to the GK class. So how are you cuties? I hope you all are doing good, right? Shall we start our session with prayer? All of you close your eyes and pray to God to give this wonderful opportunity for learning. So all of you start praying. Asatoma sadgamaya तमसोमा ज्योतिर्गमय मृत्योर्मा अमृतं गमय ॐ शान्ति शान्ति शान्तिः. All of you slowly open your eyes. Okay children, or today's topic, freedom fighters. So freedom fighters means where the people who sacrificed their life for the freedom of their country. So in India, many freedom fighters fought and sacrificed their life to get the freedom of India from the British rule. So in our previous classes, we already seen some of the great freedom fighters and their contribution, isn't it? So this class, we are going to do an activity. So activity worksheet number 2. So in the previous class we already do some activity, isn't it? That is, choose the best answer from the question. So you all are done very well. So you all are gave very correct answers. So clap for you, okay? So this class also we are going to do the remaining one. The first one, write the name of the freedom fighters. So in the right side, the picture of the freedom fighters are given. So you just write the freedom fighters name in your note. So children, all of you take your note and write the freedom fighters name. So the first picture, Mahatma. So you just write one, Mahatma Gandhi Ji. So the next picture, Jawaharlal Nehru. You just write in your note number 2, Jawaharlal Nehru. And the third one, Rajendra Prasad. Write the name of the Rajendra Prasad in your note. And the fourth one, Vallabhbhai Patel. And the fifth one, Sarvapalli Radhakrishnan. And the sixth one, Bal Gangadhar Tilak. And the seventh person, Bhagat Singh. And the last one, Subhash Chandra Bose. So children, all of you write the name of the freedom fighters in your note. I also give the answer, you just refer it. So the next one, circle the name of the leaders. So in the left side, the picture of the leaders are given. So you just circle the leader's name, okay? So you all are done very well. So your today's homework, complete your today's work and post it to the Google Classroom app. Okay children? So please avoid your mobile phone, laptop, desktop or any other gadget item after your session. Drink more water, eat healthy fruits and vegetables. Also go to play at evening. Also stay home, stay safe. We will meet in our next session, cuties. Bye now.